All of us know that food is necessary for our survival, just as petrol or diesel is fuel for the car. Food is fuel for the body. We need food to carry out the daily activity. We also know that there are two main sources of our food, plants and animals. We get rice, pulses, wheat, fruits, vegetables from plants, and similarly we get eggs, milk, meat, fishes, chicken from animals. We also know that animals depend on plants and other animals for food. Remember, we had studied about herbivores, carnivores, omnivores animals. So now we know that both human beings and animals depend on plants and animals for their food. But have you ever thought, what do plants eat? So depends on someone else for their food. Let us try to find out. So we will find out, do plants also depend on others for their food? The answer is no. Plants are the only organisms that can prepare food for themselves by using water, carbon dioxide and minerals. Now, suppose you are planning to cook rice today, you would need rice grain and water. Similarly, plants need water, carbon dioxide and minerals to prepare its food. So, water, carbon dioxide, minerals are the required raw material to prepare its food. You also learned that carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals are components of food. These components of food are called nutrients and are necessary for our body. We will study about nutrition. So, nutrition is the mode of taking food by an organism and its utilization by the body. Broadly, there are two modes of nutrition, autotrophic and heterotrophic. The word auto means self and the word trops means nourishment. It means self nourishment. So, the mode of nutrition in which organisms make food themselves from simple substance is called autotrophic nutrition. Now we will talk about heterotrophic nutrition. The word hetero means others and trophs means nourishment. So the mode of nutrition in which organisms do not prepare their food themselves and depends on other for their nutrition is called heterotrophic nutrition. Now, let us understand this by the diagram. Autotrophic mode of nutrition is the mode of nutrition in which organisms prepare their food themselves. Such organisms are called autotrophs. The example is plants. Heterotrophic mode of nutrition is the mode of nutrition in which organisms depends on other for their food. Such organisms are called heterotrophs and examples are human beings, animals and few plants. Yes, human beings are heterotrophs because we depend upon plants and animals for our nutrition. Now, you know that plants can prepare their food themselves. Now, it's time to understand some aspect about them. So the first question we need to understand is that how do plants prepare their own food? In which part of the plant food is made and from where plants gets raw materials for its food preparation. We will further learn about this in detail in the next video. Thank you.